Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Obstagoon from Pokemon. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna draw a diagonal line for his snout at that corner, semicircle turn to the left at the lower point, and extend it all the way to that point, a sharp turn back down with a curved line right there, and extend it downwards for his tongue. Turn it diagonally to the right and semicircle turn back up to that point. And along the top part of his mouth, I'm gonna draw some triangular shape for his teeth right there. And from the side of his snout on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards to the back of his head, sharp turn back down at that corner, slightly below the tip of that first spike. I'm gonna draw another similar curved line to the back and sharp turn back down. I'm gonna copy the same shape again for the other spikes, and another one right there. And from this lower point, I'm gonna draw another curved line to the top of his shoulder right there. And going back to the side of his mouth, I'm gonna take this point below the tongue and draw a curved line across to the side of his face, semicircle turn at the corner, slightly downwards on the left, sharp turn upwards at that corner, a line out slightly at this inner corner to the left, and turn it upwards with a curved line, and another spike at the side, and turn it inwards with a curved line to the top of his mouth right there. Diagonal turn downwards and to the left and back to the right. Copy the same line at this inner corner and turn it sideways to the right at this upper point, and sharp turn back to the left at that corner. Diagonal turn upwards to the left above the eye, turn it back down and back across towards his ear, and at the base of the ear there, I'm gonna draw a line up, diagonal turn to the left and back down, diagonal turn to the right. Trace the same line of the ear at this inner corner, a triangular shape at the base of the ear right there, and at the tip of the ear I'm gonna add a line at the side and another one on the right side. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally across for the top of his eye, and a semicircle line for the lower half of his eye. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a semi-diagonal line at the inner corner, and then for the nose, I'm gonna trace the same line at the side here, turn it towards the tip of the nose for the lower point and for the upper point right there, and turn it upwards at that corner. Behind the eye, I'm gonna continue the curved line to the back of his head, diagonal line at this corner, turn it back down, continue the curved line to the back again, repeat the same shape at this corner, continue the curve line to the shoulder, and above that I'm gonna pick this point and draw a curve line back to the ear with a curve line all the way to the middle point of the head right there. Sharp turn back up on the right side. And from the side of his face, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line here, turn it back down, and repeat the same zigzag line across to this point and to the side of his shoulder right there. And in this space right here, I'm gonna draw a tilted square shape right here, and another one at this corner. Now below the head at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally in and turn it downwards. For his hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point, turn it sideways to the right and diagonally upwards at the inner corner, semicircular turn at the wrist, and a triangular shape at that corner. Continue the line of the arms with a curved line, turn it downwards, semicircular turn at that corner, and another curved line to the side of his arm, semicircular turn back up. Repeat the same shape again at this corner right there, and a curved line up at that corner. For the forearm, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this point, curved line up at the inner line of the arm, semicircular turn at the top. Above the arm, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at the shoulder right there, another curved line at that corner, turn it downwards, and circular shape at that corner. A curved line from the side here, and semicircular turn to the right and back downwards. I'm gonna extend the lines at the side here towards his shoulder right there. And for the outer line of the arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from the shoulder, turn it diagonally towards the elbow, and a semicircular turn at that corner. At the side of his arm, I'm gonna draw an X shape right there. And for his hands, I'm gonna go back to the wrist and draw a curved line to the side of his face, and for the outer line to the lower part of his mouth, a few lines across for the fingers right there, and curved line on each fingers at the knuckle point. From the side of his palm, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and down, turn it outwards, semicircular turn back to the left, sharp turn back down, semicircular turn back to the left again, to the side of his arm right there. And for his hand on the right, a triangular shape at this corner, a curved line at the top point here to the nails, and a curved line out, sharp turn back in, copy the same shape for the other nails, and sharp turn back in for the corner right here, curved line across each nails at the knuckle point, a curved line at the side of the palm right here. And for the patterns on his neck, I'm gonna continue this line downwards and turn it diagonally in. Trace the same curved line at the corner right here, downwards and diagonal turn. Below the neck right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and a diagonal line at the side. Below the shoulder on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, flare it out at the bottom point and turn it back in with a curved line. Copy the same shape again on the right side right there and curved line down from this point and back up to the elbow. Below that, I'm gonna draw his legs with a diagonal line downwards to that point, semicircle turn at that lower point, diagonal line at that corner, turn it back down on the right side, continue the curved line across, a line up from the side, a diagonal line upwards aligning with the outer line of the legs, and a curved line across in between the legs. And going back to the point below his knee, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and turn it down. And we're gonna do the same thing for the inner line right here and flare it out at the bottom with a curved line, sharp turn back in at the bottom, curved line down, sideways, and some few more similar patterns across the lower part right there. Curved line out, sharp turn back up, curved line out and up. And for his feet, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to that point, sharp turn back up, and similar curved line downwards, sharp turn back up, and again on this corner. And on the top point of each nails, I'm gonna draw curved lines right there. For the right leg, we're gonna draw a similar shape as well. And for his heels, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards at the back, turn it to the front, to the right, and sharp turn diagonally to the left. Copy the same shape for the other nails again, and curved line across on each nails. For his tail, I'm gonna take this point on the left and draw a triangular shape right there. And at the side of the legs, at the inner corner, I'm gonna trace this line along, and at this middle point, a triangular shape downwards. Continue that to the right and follow the same outer line of the legs right there. At this inner point, I'm gonna extend this line diagonally in, turn it downwards. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.